Get ready to connect instantly with your new AT&T Prepaid service by activating your SIM card following these simple steps. First, unpack your AT&T Prepaid SIM card. You'll typically find the SIM card itself, often already in a larger card that you can pop out, and possibly a welcome guide with important account information. Carefully take the SIM card out of its plastic holder, be gentle, and push it from the back of the card. Make sure you're handling the metal contacts with care. Next, locate the SIM card tray on your smartphone. This is usually on the side of your device. You might need a small SIM ejector tool, a paper clip, or a small pin. To open the tray, insert the tool into the tiny hole next to the tray, and it will pop open. Now, place your AT&T Prepaid SIM card into the tray. Notice the notched corner on the SIM card. It should align perfectly with a corresponding notch in the SIM tray. Once it's seated correctly, gently push the tray back into your phone until it clicks into place. Power on your smartphone if it's a new phone. It might guide you through the initial setup process. If you're switching to AT&T Prepaid, you'll likely see a screen prompting you to activate your service. You have two easy ways to activate. You can visit the AT&T activation website on another device or your phone. If you have Wi-Fi, look for AT&T Prepaid activation online. Alternatively, you can call the AT&T activation number, which is usually printed on the SIM card packaging or your welcome guide. During the online or phone activation, you'll be asked to provide some basic information, such as your new phone number and possibly some personal details to set up your account. Follow the on-screen or voice prompts carefully. Once you've completed the necessary steps, you should receive a confirmation message on your phone or email indicating that your AT&T Prepaid SIM card has been successfully activated. You're now ready to start enjoying your new service.